Okay, so this is a common example of a latch binding. So when a latch binds, the lock is installed to the door in such a way that when you turn the handle, the latch gets stuck in. So the solution is quite simple, and the problem is caused by the back of the lock and the front of the lock being slightly out of alignment to the point where the latch binds. Now, it can be slightly out of alignment in this way, or it can also be out of alignment because the back of the lock is tightened slightly differently and it's causing the whole mechanism to twist slightly. The way that we solve this problem is just to loosen some screws. Some of the screws are just over tightened, and this can occur more commonly when you've got the rubber grommet installed. So you can see there that we've got the latch bound. Now to find out, or to unbind the latch, it's just a matter of gently loosening all of the screws until the latch unbinds. And you'll notice that as I loosen the screws, the latch will just unbind itself. There you go. It's still bound, so again, it's just a matter of going back to these screws and finding the sweet spot until the latch unbinds. Now that the latch has unbound itself, it's just a matter of retightening some of these screws, just enough, and look, I'm using an electric screwdriver here. Feels reasonably solid. I'm just gently tightening the screws now. And as I go, I notice that has just caused it to bind slightly. I'm just going to loosen that one off a little. Tighten this one. Still bound up a little bit. Just going to loosen it off. We actually recommend just using a hand screwdriver for this purpose. And you'll find a sweet spot where everything is tight to the lock. Everything is tight, but the latch fully retracts and fully extends itself.